house quiet, but my head loud. Ash on the carpet, empty bottles like a dead crowd. Red stain on the counter, clock stuck at 3:02. Shadows crawl up the ceiling, they all point back to you. Every wrong turn replaying like some cursed cartoon, and my hand starts shaking as the room turns maroon. Blood moon madness creeping through my veins again. Every drag, every drink, just to deal with the dark, my friend. Blood moon madness, whispers that I can't confess. You say sleep, but it sings me to death, to death. Cigarette in my fingers, but it's holding on to me. Smoke riding out faces I swore I'd never seen. Pour another confession in a chip that's dark gold. Take a sip, feel it slither down the